Hi, I'm Eddie. I'm a patient at Harcourt Chiropractic. Well, I had lower back pain, and my sciatic nerve was irritating me and keeping me up at night. And it was hard for me to do physical activities and stuff. Pretty uncomfortable. I mean, enough to wake me up at night and keep me up, and keep me away from the favorite activities and stuff like that. Oh, it's great. I mean, I don't have any pain anymore. I'm at 100%. I've been going back to the gym and enjoying all the stuff that I wasn't enjoying before. A lot better. I can maintain a healthier lifestyle and enjoy more stuff with my kids and just a lot of the activities that I couldn't do before. It's definitely worth doing. I mean, I put it off for several years, and I probably should have done it many years ago, and I would have been in a lot better shape than I am now, but I'm glad I did it. I'm 100%, and I definitely recommend it.